Building a new civil society. NGOs, government officials and foreign experts got together at a workshop in Tripoli, one of several happening across the country, to consult on the new law that will regulate the activities of non-governmental organizations.
لدينا 3 أهداف لهذا الورشة العمل. الأولى هو مناقشة المشروع المسودة القانون للمجتمع المدني. الثاني هدف هو جمع المجتمع المدني والحكومة وصائغين هذا القانون للمناقشة وإبداء الرأي. الثالث هو الملكية الوطنية.
من أول أهداف ثورتنا في ليبيا الجديدة أن يكون عندنا ديمقراطية، وهو المقصود في الديمقراطية هنا الحرية، يعني أن يكون عندك حرية. فأنا حتى نوع من الديمقراطية أنك أنت لو تبي تحط قانون معين عندك في الجمعية أن لا نظام الدكتاتوري، هذه ديمقراطية.
The key issues under discussion were how NGOs are to be funded, governed internally, and made accountable to their board members. Discussions turned intense as different breakout groups went over the proposed law article by article.
Well, the main issue is the independence of the civil society. That's the main issue, that people are worried that government will have too much to say in the running of these organizations. And of course, the other thing is that this organization would be, instead of being part of the development of the country, will harm the country. There are two views, and both views we need to consider and also work with towards a better formula for everyone.
Actually, the thirst for freedom and ensuring the free civil society. The people were very specific about the principle of non-interference of government, and they want to avoid control. I think this is natural following what happened in Libya, which was a revolution for freedom.
I think the biggest challenge is the creation of the civil society itself. It should come from grassroots level. But I mean, as far as I see from this crowd, we're not that far. Libya is not that far from there. It will depend on the making of the law and, of course, the structuring of the new government. But I believe the civil society is already here. It's ready to make the changes. And afterwards, I think the biggest challenge is to come out with the structure of modern institutions like the associations we're working here. But I mean, we're not that far either.
A few days later, UNDP was consulting international NGOs on how they expect to be represented by the law, which is expected to be formalized later this year.
Well, I can see a well-established, organized, effective civil society. I'm very optimistic, actually, on this. I'm not normally optimistic, but in this case, yes, I see very good things going on, yes.